How to fix Roblox not launching. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix Roblox not launching. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, press and hold onto the application itself. Then here simply click on app info. Now here wait for few seconds. Then on the bottom right corner you can see an option named clear data. Simply click onto it. Then here click on clear cache. Then here click on OK. Now here you need to check if your problem has been fixed or not. If not, then follow the same steps, and then from here simply click on clear all data and then click on OK. What this will do is clear all your data on Roblox application. You will simply need to re-log in into the application itself. After that your problem should be fixed. So in this very simple way you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.